everybody. It's the Mobile Home Mama, and wowzers, we're standing in a 28 by 68. I can barely contain myself. I built this home for my friend Sajida. We're going to Wisconsin with this one, guys, and we have been, I'll get emotional, we've been working on this for over a year. So I want to point out to you guys, if we're running a special, for example, in September, 10% off, same thing happened to Sajida. She saw a deal she couldn't refuse. She started building a home. Things didn't quite work out, but a year later she built her home, and the price went down, and she still kept her discount. So that's what I want to stress to you guys. If you see me running a sale and you just want to get in, you know manufactured is the way you want to go, give me a call. Let's get the foot in the door, and you'll end up saving a bunch of money. So I'm so excited today, guys, to bring you this Cosperville. 28 by 68, 1,700 square feet. We've seen one of the show homes over at the lot before called the Denim. This is the big sister of the Denim. So we've seen this before. You will probably remember that we've got a fireplace in the dining room, which seems kind of unusual, but to me, I think it's just so luxurious, right? So you're sitting at your table, you're having dinner with your family, a little bit of chill in the air, especially in Wisconsin, and what do you got? You've got this electric fireplace that lights up pretty cool stuff. Now, we're raw at the factory, so we don't have any juice running through this yet, but it's got some cool lights here. It also blows out plenty of heat. Now, there is an option to add some shiplap. This is the first time I've seen it without the shiplap, and let me tell you, I'm in love with this. And so is Brittany. By the way, guys, Brittany's behind the camera. We've got Madison in here. She's an actual worker at Champion Homes, and she's the one who comes in and makes your homes spick and span and clean for you guys. So we're working hard. We got a whole team of people working hard for you. We've added a patio door here, which would normally be a very large window. So if you're gonna build an awesome deck out the back, maybe you're gonna have a hot tub, or maybe you got a pond out there, whatever you got going on with your family, we can make the home work for you. Now, turning this way, we've added that famous Odyssey kitchen. We've got the spaceship for a hood up here. This thing does a lot of things. And what's cool is these little LED lights. I swear to God, when you turn it on, it looks like a flying saucer. So anyways, here's the spaceship. Sajida opted for a gas stove, so she's got a gas cooktop right in her island. And she did the French door 24/7 cubic foot refrigerator, the over-under. We're bringing back the wall oven, so if you guys are tired of bending over, pulling your cookies out of the oven, now it's just right here for you. So we've got the wall oven on the bottom, the microwave on the top. Do I have that right? Yes? Or vice? No, this is correct. Brittany, help me.
I don't, neither one of them looks like, they're spaceships. I don't know. That doesn't even look like a microwave to me. Look how fancy.
And down here is the oven. Anyways, we've got these fixed picture windows here, which is a very nice feature. They do not open, guys, but what a lovely, beautiful view you've got out there, seeing your backyard. Bright light on the backsplash. Then over here we've got a taller coffee bar, which is perfect for girls like Brittany because she's very tall. Me, this is about the same size as me, so I'm not shorter than this, but almost. So we've got a coffee bar going on right here. Hardwood cabinets, and today we're only going to see the kitchen half of this home, but we were on the other half, and let me tell you, it's just as beautiful. Now, for the most exciting part, guys, I've never seen this bathroom. This is my first time. This is the second bath. We've got LED lighted mirrors here, square European sinks, and the backsplash is going to carry on through. We've got the doors with the glass in the front, standard tub shower, and the private commode. All the ladies love the private commode.
Mm-hmm.
So you're doing your business and you're shutting the door.
And your kids are out here brushing their teeth.
Yep. And knocking on the door.
Mm-hmm.
Mom,
hello.
let us in. Coming out the back, here we've got an extra pantry going on. Maybe you're going to put towels or sheets, stuff like that. Here's another first for me.
Mm-hmm.
In this home, we've got the utility sink. So, oh my gosh, I can't explain or stress to you guys how we do these homes now. We're not just talking about the terrible T word. We don't do T words anymore. You don't see those anymore. It's a thing of the past. The building code has finally caught up with stick-built homes, and we're making these homes just as luxurious as if you were going and spending $500,000, dropping $500,000 on a stick-built home. Come see me, guys. I promise you, I can help you get debt-free, mortgage-free. Let's make a change in your life. Come and see me. We'll talk about it. Say hi to Brittany. I love it, guys. Also, I've got customers who see me online and they just pop in. They see Brittany and they're like, hey, we know you. So, gosh, guys, stop. Come see us. We'll show you a good time, I promise. We'll have some pizza. Tacos are probably not happening, but pizza, yes. I'm Kristina, the Mobile Home Mama. All my info's below. Thanks for watching.